Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in the previous video we saw the stake column chart in the stake bar chart. Now in this video we'll be going for a modified version of the stake column chart and bar chart, which is known as 100% stake column chart and 100% stake bar chart. So let us see practically how we can create both these charts. I am now in this particular sheet which is known as 100% stake column chart and bar chart. So first of all, let us see that what do you mean by the 100% stake column chart. So in the 100% stake column chart, it shows us how each subcategory contributes as a percentage out of 100% of the total for each category. Each column always reaches 100% height regardless of the absolute values. Now see, when I compare the stake bar chart or stake column chart with this 100% stake column chart and 100% stake bar chart. So in the stake bar chart, I can see the various stakes, okay, which is showing me the value, the actual value, let's say total sales or total profit. Now here in the 100% stake column chart, the wording is very important, that is 100%. So whatever the height of the column is there or whatever the length of the bar is there, it is always 100%. Now here I can know with this kind of chart that okay, what is the contribution of, let's say, the northern region in the laptop category sales. Okay, so I can see the percentage over here. So let's say it is 30%, someone is 40%, another one is 30%. So I can compare here the percentages of each of the regions or each of the subcategories within a particular product or within a particular category. So that is what we mean by the 100% stake column chart. If you want to show the percentage of product sales coming from different regions each month, regardless of the total sales size, the 100% stake column chart is ideal. Okay, so here I cannot compare the total sales of, let's say, the mobile category with the laptop category or laptop category with the AC category. So that kind of comparison I cannot do it. For that I have to use always the stake column chart and stake bar chart. But if I want to know that okay, within this particular category, how much is the contribution of the northern region or southern region or eastern region in terms of percentage, then I can use this particular chart. Yeah, then this chart is very useful. So uses of the 100% stake column chart, showing the percentage contribution best when relative share matters more than the actual numbers. So I'm not interested in the actual numbers of the sales. I'm interested in the contribution or the share of each of the regions or each of the subcategories in the overall category. Comparing the proportional distribution across categories, market share comparison over months or years, tracking how composition changes over time. Even if totals vary widely, the chart focuses on the proportional changes. So we can see that I can compare one column with the other column, but not directly with the height. I can compare that, okay, here in the laptop category, the northern region is having more share, and in the desktop category, it is having the lower proportion or lower share. So that kind of comparison I can do it. Fourth one, removing the effect of different totals. Useful when categories have very different sizes, but you only care about the ratio. See, here we are more focused on the ratio, not on the actual total sales. Then the advantages of the 100% stake column chart. It shows the proportion very clearly. Good for comparing composition. It handles the small or large totals fairly. So even if we are having a small portion of a sale of, let's say, the southern region, then I can see it very clearly here. Ideal for time-based proportional trends. Now, what are the disadvantages of 100% stake column chart? It cannot compare the actual values. So if I cannot know that, okay, what is the total sales of laptop category, what is the total sales of the mobile category, that kind of comparison I cannot do it. Hard to compare the mid segments across columns. Only the bottom segment is easy to compare, yeah, which are at the bottom area that I can compare very easily. Becomes cluttered with many series. Ideally, you should have not more than 4 to 5 segments within that particular column. If you are having more segments, then it is difficult to read. Changes can appear misleading when percentages shift slightly. So whenever there is a small change in the data, then the percentage also changes, but you will not be able to see very clearly that, okay, yes, there is some change over here. You have to put your pointer on that particular stake, and then you can see that what is the percentage here. Okay, so now here, after this theory part, let us see practically how we can create the 100% stake column chart. Let us select this table here. Here we are having the months, January, February, March, April. Then we are having the 3 products here, A, B, C. Let us assume that these are the sales here. Now I select this table. Then I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click this drop down. And in this drop down, we are having this option known as 100% stake column chart. So I select this option here. So this is the 100% stake column chart. You can see that the heights are same, 100%. Now, here we are having these different colors. So product A is having the blue color, product B is having the orange color, and product C is having the gray color. So if I put my pointer here on this product A for this January month, you can see that its contribution is around 48%. Similarly, here we are having the value around 80. So you can see that this is again contributing to another around 30%. And the last category, the product C, is having the contribution of around 20%. So this product A is having the highest proportion, then comes product B, and then comes the product C. So this is how we can do the comparison in the 100% stake column chart. Now I can also convert this stake column chart into a stake bar chart. So I can go for this button here, change chart type, and in the change chart type, I can go to this bar chart, and in the bar chart, I can select this option here known as 100% stake bar chart. And now this is my 100% stake bar chart. So here we have seen in this video how to create the stake column chart and the stake bar chart. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you the differences between the stake column chart and the 100% stake column chart. What are the major differences, when to use what? So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.